An aeroplane takes off and climbs at an angle of 20 degrees to a horizontal at 190 km per hour along its flight path for 15 minutes. Find A1. The distance the aeroplane traveled in 15 minutes. 2. The height the aeroplane reached after 15 minutes correct to 2 decimal places. So now we graph this one first. The graph, airplane graph like that. Here is 20 degrees. So first, we need to find a distance. Suppose D here. Travels in 15 minutes. So we know 15 minutes is 1 hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 15 minutes equal to 15 over 60. So equal to 1 over 4 hours. We make unit as hours. So the time is 1 over 4 hours. The speed is 190 km per hour. Therefore, the distance equal to speed times time equal to speed 190 km per hour times 1 over 4 hours. So equal to 190 over 4 kilometer. Equal to 47.5 kilometer. So the height of the aeroplane reaches after 15 minutes correct to 2 decimal places. So we need to find height here. So we know height over D equal to height over 47.5. So equal to sine, cosine, or tangent. Equal to sine 20 degrees. So we know height will be 47.5 times sine 20 degrees. So equal to 16.25 kilometers. B. If the angle at which the plane climbs is twice the original angle, so you mean the triangle become like that. Here become 40 degrees. Here still D the same. But its speed is halved. Speed is halved. Oh. Now we don't use D. We use D2. Because now the speed, suppose speed is S2. Speed become half will be 190 divided by 2 equal to 95 kilometer per hour. But the time is still the same. So distance equal to 95 times 1 over 4 equal to 95 times 1 over 4. 23.75 kilometers. Now we want to find height 2, H2. Because the question says, will it reach a greater height after 15 minutes? It's plain. So we just calculate H2. See, H2 is higher than H or not. So H2 over 23.75, so equal to sine 40. Therefore, we get H2 equal to 23.75 times sine 40 degrees. So we get 15.27 kilometers. Therefore, answer is not. It will not reach a greater height after 15 minutes because the 15.27 kilometers is shorter than 16.25 kilometers. Now we talk about C. If a plane speed is doubled and its climbing angle is halved, so you mean triangle become like that, 10 degrees. So suppose that D3, and the speed become double, so 190 times 2 equal to 380 kilometers per hour. Therefore, D3 equal to speed times time. $95 kilometers. Here is 95 kilometers. So H3 over 95 equal to sine 10 degrees. Therefore, H3 equal to 95 times sine 10 degrees. So equal to 16.5 kilometers. Oh, yes. So B is no, C is yes. The plane will reach a greater height after 15 minutes. So this one is yes.